Hello everyone. Today we will discuss about two important methods of manual testing, that is smoke testing and sanity testing. So, smoke testing and sanity testing are two important types of software testing methods which aim to ensure the stability and functionality of a software application. So, we will discuss about what is smoke testing. So smoke testing, which is also known as build verification testing, in, and the main purpose of a smoke testing, like it's a preliminary testing process which is used to ensure that the core functionalities of an application work as expected, and it verifies if the build is stable enough for further testing. So this is about smoke testing, and now we will discuss about sanity testing. So sanity testing is also one type of software testing, and it is performed after one build is completed, and there will be some minor changes we will to verify that the bug have been fixed or not. So it is performed to verify that specific functionalities work as expected after minor changes or fixes have been made. And it is a more focused testing process than smoke testing. And if I give a simple example, like sanity testing, which is done after smoke testing, and for example smoke testing, we will if we are building a house, so we will check the basic things of that house, like doors, windows, all these things. But when it comes to sanity testing, we will check the tap, the light in a home, the decor, everything. So this is the like simple example, live example, which is related with building a home. And now we will discuss about the main differences between sanity testing and smoke testing. So first is like scope. The scope of smoke testing is broader, and it's cover major functionalities, and the sanity testing focuses on specific areas which is affected by recent changes. And the timing, smoke test is done early in the testing phase after a build, and sanity testing is done after a bug fix or a minor change. And and depth, like smoke testing is shallow while sanity testing goes into more detail. We will discuss more about sanity testing. And the goal, smoke testing aims to ensure basic stability, and sanity testing, like it verifies specific functionalities or fixes. And both tests aim to save time and effort by identifying major issues early in the process. And in the like functional testing, smoke testing and sanity testing are very important types of testing. And whenever you will go for an interview for manual testing, so for sure, definition of smoke and sanity testing will be asked, and the differences between smoke and sanity testing. So make sure, what is smoke and sanity and the difference, you know better. And today we have discussed about this important types of testing, two types of testing. And in the next video we will come up with another important topic, like a part of testing. So thank you, bye bye.